Hello everyone. Today I'm going to create a demo as a quick example for how we're going to create our drawings that utilize form and our combined animals. So we're going to be using the rule of thirds that we learned, and we're going to be using basically everything we've learned up to this point. So this is going to be a black and white drawing. We're going to have a really good value range. We're going to have to utilize balance and the rule of thirds. And we're also going to have to utilize our animals that we made. So I'm going to go ahead and take a really light pencil. That's not it. This 2H right here. And I'm going to draw my grid and some of my features on here, because when I draw, I'm going to start off with a line drawing, just like you will. And then we're going to transform that line drawing to something that does not utilize line, okay? So I'm going to divide my paper roughly into thirds. So maybe something like this, if I will. So it's not perfect, but pretty close, right? Same thing here. Something like this. Okay. So it's not exact, but it'll give me a good little guideline right here. Okay. So I'm going to put my landscape, right? We talked about this in the slideshow, in the presentation. I'm going to put my landscape kind of following this bottom third, right? Because I want this piece to be mostly sky. And once again, I'm using my very light pencil because I want to be able to erase this stuff when I'm done. I'm going to put my figure somewhere on a third here. So this is a conscious decision. I'm going to do him very light. He's going to have on some jeans. He's going to have on some shoes. All right. We're going to give him, let's give him a six-pack abs. All right. So this is going to be, he's going to be on fleek. Some little fins. So this is my combination of animals here. People and fish. All right. And we'll come back and put some more details on this in a minute. So we got our landscape, our horizon line on a third. We've got our animal here on a third. And then I'm going to go ahead and give it some more features here. So let's have this guy trying to get a slice of pizza. All right. Some contour lines here to make the crust look a little rounded. All right. Maybe we can show it from an angle too, give it a little bit of form, right? Because we're talking about form. All right, I'm gonna put a mesa on here. Give it a little bit of a dry desert look here. So that's kind of fun. He's a fish, but he's out here in the desert. We're gonna put maybe another little plateau here. Okay. And, you know, I think that'll work. You see, I've got more of a plateau right here and less of one right here because I have a figure here on a third. So I want to kind of balance out some of that weight. All right. And that may still not be balanced out enough. I may still have to add a little something here and there. We'll see what we can do. Another thing I have to do is pick a light source. So I want to go ahead and pick my light source. Let's say the light's coming from here. That means I'm going to have a shadow. Maybe coming out this way. So I'll mark that out. And now, now that I've got my light source, I've got my figure on a third, I've got my large rock formations, trying to put more on this side than on this side because I've got this big figure here and he's gonna draw a lot of visual weight. And also I've got his shadow. It's gonna be pretty dark, so that's gonna draw a lot of visual weight. I may want to end up come here and putting some silhouettes of birds over here to kind of weight that out. Right, and you'll see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 birds. So I might want to come in here and put another little bird, right? Because we're going to use the rule of odds. So we want odd numbers of things. I might even come here and put another little rock formation here. So now I've got 3 rock formations. This will balance out some of this weight that I'm going to have over here. All right, so this is where we want to be at the end of class today. We want to have our line drawing completed. All right, until next time.